If you're still judging a phone purely by how thin it looks on a store display, you're missing the bigger story. We put the new HONOR X6e through a multi-day stress test, and it proved one major thing. You no longer need to haul a power bank around just to survive a typical day in Metro Manila. In the next 8 minutes, we're tearing down the marketing claims, analyzing the silicon, and figuring out if this battery monster is actually worth your hard-earned pesos. Hit that subscribe button right now and let's get into it. Welcome back to TechBeatPH, I'm Fluffy. The Philippine budget smartphone market is completely crowded right now. But raw spec sheets mean absolutely nothing if your screen shatters the first time it slips out of your pocket, or if your battery dies right when you are trying to book a ride home on EDSA. Today, we're breaking down the HONOR X6e. HONOR is making big promises with a massive 7,500 mAh battery, a smooth 120Hz display, and Swiss SGS drop protection. Let's see if this hardware translates to a better everyday experience for the common user. Let's talk silicon and chassis engineering. The centerpiece of the HONOR X6e is undeniably its 7,500 mAh cell. Historically, putting a battery this large into a device meant you were carrying a literal brick in your jeans. Yet, HONOR managed to fit all this power into a body that is just 8.29mm thin and weighs a reasonable 204 grams. Achieving high energy density without expanding the physical footprint is a great piece of hardware design. And when you finally manage to drain it after 2 days of continuous use, it supports 45W HONOR Supercharge to get you back up and running quickly. Next up is the screen. HONOR went with a 61-inch TFT LCD panel running an HD Plus resolution of 1604 by 720. Pixel purists might demand 1080p, but pushing fewer pixels is a smart engineering trade-off for energy efficiency. It drastically reduces the processing workload on the Mali G52 graphics unit. Instead of chasing resolution, they prioritize motion smoothness with a 120Hz refresh rate. The UI feels remarkably fluid. Plus, with a peak brightness of 1010 nits, reading your messages under the blazing afternoon sun is completely effortless. Specs are great on paper, but how does this phone handle a busy workday? Under the hood, the X6e runs on a MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra processor. This octa-core chipset is tuned specifically for power efficiency rather than pushing extreme 3D frame rates. Paired with Magic OS X on Android 16, the system software aggressively manages background tasks so your battery doesn't drain while the phone is sitting idle in your bag. It even includes virtual memory extension to keep multitasking smooth when switching between apps. For quick social media snaps, the 50MP main camera does a solid job using AI processing to sharpen images and balance exposure. My favorite feature, however, is the structural durability. The X6e comes with Swiss SGS 5-star drop protection and an IP64 dust and splash resistance rating. You don't need to panic if you catch an unexpected rain shower or accidentally drop the phone onto a wooden table. They even added a 300% volume boost setting, which comes in handy when you are trying to hear audio over noisy street traffic. It is time for my take. Who is this phone actually built for? If you are a competitive mobile gamer looking to play heavy graphics intensive games on max settings, this isn't the device for you. However, if you are a student, a commuter, or someone working outdoors who needs a phone that simply refuses to die, the HONOR X6e delivers exceptional practical value. It completely removes battery anxiety from your daily routine. Because of its incredible battery endurance, robust drop protection, and accessible everyday performance, we are officially awarding the HONOR X6e the techbeatph Silver rating. It earns a solid recommendation for anyone looking for maximum battery life on a sensible budget. That wraps up our full hands-on look at the HONOR X6e. It proves that you don't need to break the bank to get insane battery life and solid durability. Don't forget to give this video a like, leave a comment telling us how many days a 7,500 mAh battery would last you, and subscribe to TechBeatPH for more grounded tech reviews. I'm Fluffy, and I'll catch you in the next one.